All right, who's ready to take a tour of a very big multi-section manufactured home right here? And the layout, you go in, living room, you go around the corner, kitchen, family room, all kind of crazy things. Okay, so y'all sit back, relax. Let me show you a couple things on the exterior. We're gonna get on in. We are at Clayton Homes here. This is in Tyler, Texas. We're a quick little turn, I'll show you. They got a lot of different houses here. Triple section right there, right on the other side of that storage building. And man, and you want to talk about, wow, it is crazy. I'll pop the floor plan up if it's on the channel, y'all check it out. As you can tell, we've got this same siding you're gonna see on this entire home. Actually, we got some different stuff here on the front. Basically, it's gonna be your lap siding here. And then we'll have the board and batten right here in two different areas where we have our dormers. Now you can customize you guys colors and all that good stuff, okay? So this is a show model. You would come in here at Clayton Homes, customize, get this house ordered just the way you would like to. They'll take care of everything for you here. All right, there is another good look at some of the board and batten, siding, electrical outlet. I wanna take you in. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Maybe this tour is gonna kick it up just a notch. Does your day need kicked up just a notch? Hopefully this will do it. Y'all drop a like if you want to. That'll help kick mine up a little bit. All right, let's get in. Coming on in. How y'all doing? Whew. So right when you walk in, you got your living room here. Kick these shoes off in case I got a little mud on them out there. Don't want to track in, you know, just not that type of guy. Beautiful fireplace. Wood burning wrapped in the stone. And I want to come up here and show you. So this says Living Series. What's that say? EZ Living Series. We got some different models here. Here's the one that we're looking at. Yes, we got an option for a 5th bedroom where this family room is at. I'll show you when we get down there. But then there's some more as well. If you want to screenshot that, feel free to do so. And then next up, we got the dining area right here. Ooh, double doors. Is that a walk-in pantry? We got the granite tops. Let's go ahead and check this out. I'm not sure. Usually I'm messing with y'all, but I really don't know. Okay. Not walk-in, but we got really opens up here with double doors. So you get in and get whatever you need. Beautiful refrigerator. Got your freezer on this side. We got the white cabinets, black pools right here, but once again, that's definitely something you can customize. Got these tops overlaying your sink here. And we have a window. Check it out, overhead vents. What do y'all think? Let me hear from you. Okay, 2 beds and a bath here. One more look as we back into this first bedroom. So this is off the front section of your new home. See what I did there? Lots of countertop space in here. Just one sink, same cabinets. Here's another bedroom. Oh, get a light on for you. Once again, off the front. So it's in 2 bedrooms and a bath. We got 3 baths. Sorry, I hadn't mentioned that. Sliding door that'll take you into the laundry room. This is where that other back door is. We've got a sink, plus a lot of countertop space. You got some more cabinets, and then also up above. And then over here, like all this will be needed when this show model eventually gets sold and set up and everything gets retrimmed out. Spot for your washer and dryer with the hanging rod. And then look at our space here. Put you something. Now, I know there's some regulation. You can't have something so close to your breaker box, I believe. But I bet if you put something right here up against this, you should be good. If anything, put you some clothes hampers. Yeah, you could do some other stuff there if you would like. Put your refrigerator in here, you know? I mean, it's some tough work. Somebody, every now and then, you need to cool off. Stay hydrated. I was thinking like a mini fridge. I don't know if a residential fridge may be cutting close to that breaker box. I'm not sure. So yeah, this right here is where you could have a 5th bedroom if you needed it instead of this family room. So keep that in mind, y'all that are looking for a 5 bedroom. This one could be that house. Or you could tell your oldest kid it's time for you to go elsewhere. Just kidding. I'm not encouraging y'all to kick your kids out. I'm just saying if they're 25 and they're still at home and they ain't got a job. All right, that's all I'm gonna say. I'm just kidding. I stayed at home for a long time. Check it out. There's another full bath. And then here's a bedroom. Once again, gonna see this one off the front section as well. Nice big closet. Let me cut a light on for you. Yep. Definitely liking the size of that. All right. That's it down here. Let me take you down to the main bedroom. Ooh, that's a pretty view. Love this house. Has a pantry. Check it out right here, our marriage line. We got some beam, we got this nice beam here. Also, we got our tray ceiling that I had shown you. Now to the main bedroom. Very big room. I got to read this to y'all. It says, I still remember the days I prayed for what I have now. Y'all ever thought, have you thought about stuff like that? Man, I know a lot of things that I have right now that I prayed for years ago. So blessed. Let me give you one look from over here and we'll take you into this closet, which has some built-ins. Wow. Got a window in here. We've got a rack there, two there, two there, another one over here. And this is definitely big enough if you want to have you something right here in the middle, you could do so. Incredible. All right, now it's time for the bath. I just want y'all to see the square footage in here. Look, as we walk in, I'm gonna give you a look at everything all at once. Wow. Now I wanna swing over this way, look at our sinks. There's just so much space in here. I can come all the way back here up against the wall. Pulse shower spas. I've never seen one of these running. I've always thought they look very cool. Never seen one running. You have all your water here. Then you got these spray, your spray that'll shoot out this way. Just cool. I've never even been in a shower that does that. So I'd like to experience that someday. But there is the water closet, but just a massive bathroom. Y'all, what I want to do now is get into more information about this house, this manufacturer, try to help you the best I possibly can. Y'all be sure to share this video, please. Don't forget to drop a like, and if you haven't subscribed, you need to so you stay tuned with the channel. Thank you. Okay, everyone, so that home right there that we just toured, that's the Monterrey. A beautiful 4-bed, 3-bath house that I think is a wonderful option for someone looking for a new manufactured home. So we have the manufacturer of this house being Clayton built. Okay, and this house was located in Clayton Homes of Tyler, Texas. But you can go through your local Clayton Homes Home Center or their family of brands to get this house ordered the way you want it, delivered and set up, and everything that comes with getting into one of these houses. I do got to mention that Clayton's Sign and Save event is still running right now, where you can get up to $5,000 of instant savings on a brand new home purchase. You see, that's how quick, like, instant. Y'all look it up if you don't know what instant means. The Monterrey actually is just one of the models they have going on in this Sign and Save event. This offer is nationwide at Clayton and their family of brand home centers, okay? So y'all keep that in mind. So when it comes to estimated retail pricing, I want to give that to you on this particular model and I'll be done. Let me just say that this will be what was on their actual website. You would definitely want to check with your local home center to get exact pricing, but this is what they have here. So I'm going to pop it up for you, but just keep in mind this doesn't include delivery, installation, and all that, okay? But here you go. This will be for at the time of recording also right here. Okay, so I think that's all I would like to cover. If y'all do have a question, something I didn't go over, drop a comment. I would love to hear from y'all. Hope y'all have a tremendous rest of your day. Take care. God bless you. And I will see you on the next tour. I'll have one coming real soon. See you.